Hey everyone, welcome back to Pajama Crafts, where I do crafts in my pajamas. I'm Sarah and I have two DIYs for you guys today. For the first one, I'm using this wood canvas type thing. I don't know where it's from because my friend gave it to me. I'm assuming she may have got it at Michael's because she loves Michael's. But if you don't have something like this, you could easily make something like this from the back of a Dollar Tree sign, or if you want to use wood, that's awesome too. And then next I am taking some nautical rope from the Dollar Tree and I'm using this to make a wreath. As you can see, because of how the rope was folded, it's not going to easily make a circle, so I'm taking some wire that I got from Walmart a long time ago. This is for making jewelry, and it really doesn't matter what kind of wire you want to use. If you have floral wire, that should work too. But I'm just wrapping it all the way around the rope until I have as much as I need to make the size circle that I want that will fit on this board. And then I'm just bending it and making the circle, and that way the wire holds the shape of the circle. When I had it the size that I wanted it, I just cut the end, and then I took some wire cutters and cut the wire with a little bit left over so that I could wrap it around the other side to connect the two ends. And then I did add a little bit of hot glue as well to make it a little more sturdy. You could just glue your flowers down in a circle on the board, but I thought this gave it a little more height and dimension, and also helped me keep them in a perfect circle, because I would probably not get that exactly right if I was just gluing down the flowers. I do want to thank you guys so much for watching, commenting, and sharing my videos. I reached 2,000 subscribers last week. I'm pretty excited about it, and I hope you guys keep sharing my videos and keep watching, and once we get to 5,000 subscribers, I'll do another giveaway. So here I'm just bending and shaping it into a circle. I have some 97-cent picks of lavender from Walmart. A lot of you guys did tell me about these in the comments on my last video, and I did know about them before, but I just couldn't find them at my Walmart. But I finally did. I guess they finally got some in, which I was super excited about when I saw them, so I got a whole bunch, and I'm going to be using them on this one and on the next wreath as well. So I'm just arranging these on the rope the way that I think they look best. I put a little to the left, a little to the right, and then some in the middle just to make it as full as I could, and I'm just hot gluing those down. This is so lightweight that I was able to just hot glue it straight to the board. Once I saw this on camera, I noticed that the right side looked a lot more full than the left, so I may end up adding a few more sprigs to the other side, but I just think this turned out so cute. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments. So next we have this big wreath that we have hanging on our door. I usually change it out for the season, so I'm a little late, but I wanted to change it out for spring. So I already had a big fluffy burlap bow that I had made previously for a different season, and I just left that on there, and then I got these big white flowers from Walmart along with the 97-cent lavender picks, and I got all of the white flowers on one pick, and I believe it was $3. And then I just arranged those how I thought they were cute, and I'm just hot gluing everything down. I use quite a bit of glue because I want to make sure it stays on. It's going to be outside in the weather. And then underneath that, you can see that I wrapped some burlap ribbon around the wreath, and that I actually got from Oriental Trading Company when I used to work for them. And then that cross on the little burlap bow was actually from my aunt, like many years ago when I was a kid, and I think that's actually made from a cactus, and that was from when she was traveling in New Mexico. I was really happy with how this turned out. I think the white and the lavender are just so pretty for spring, and they just really brighten everything up and make you feel happy and cheery when you see it. You may hear baby Bree in the background today. She's sitting with daddy just talking away, And I may add in a little clip of her at the end too. She just started really laughing the other day, so I got a few of her tiny giggles on video, so I may add a clip in of that for you guys at the end of the video too, because it is just so adorable, and I know how you guys love to see her in my videos. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more DIYs like this one, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
The little toes for the little girl. The little toes for the little girl. Little toes for the little girl. For the little girl. Little girl. Little toes for the little girl. Little toes for the little girl. Little toes for the little girl.